Plasma is a fourth and final state of matter in the chain of liquid, solid, and gas. Plasma is derived from extreme temperatures of up to 15,000 kelvins, which is 3 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The light produced by plasma cladding is so bright that there is no possible way to see through it. Unless you use CAVILUX laser illumination, in which case, say hello there, tiny particles. With CAVILUX lasers, your efficiency, analysis, error detection and precision is always one step ahead of the competition. You can see each individual particle flowing. You can precisely follow the plasma jet direction, and all this while being able to visually inspect the surface of the substrate. For more information, please visit our website cavitar.com.